Y'all ride Iron Gwazi?
That was great.
Yeah. Did it? What y'all think about it?
It was awesome.
It was amazing. I have a cramp, but you know it's fine. It was a very good experience.
Let's go a week after I came home.
It was awesome. Like the drop was so
My
fun.
face was like planted into the seat.
So, of all the roller coasters at Busch Gardens, which one is your favorite?
This is our first one, but
it's your first one?
I think it's the best one.
Yeah,
the best one in the park?
Alright,
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Where's this going on?
So on a 1 to 10, what do you give it?
A 10.
A 10? All the way?
Yeah.
Your favorite roller coaster you ever been on?
Hybrids.
Hybrids?
Yeah.
Where's that at?
Universal.
Universal?
Honestly,
Okay.
probably like
The Hulk is really good too.
The whole what?
the Hulk.
The Hulk. That's the one that shoots you out of the
that was
tunnel,
really
right? Right. Okay. Where y'all from?
Miami.
Miami. That's what's up right there, fella. Anything else y'all want to say?
Follow the YouTube channel, guys.
Follow YouTube channel.
Alright, that's what's
And I'm
up.
dropping an album coming soon.
Alright, so let's say, hey, do me a favor, say on 3, say THRILLMAXX, okay?
Alright.
Alright, so 1, 2, 3.
THRILLMAXX.
Thank you, fella.
Welcome back, riders. We hope you enjoyed your ride on Iron Gwazi. Please lift up on your left bar and unbuckle your seatbelt. Collect all personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Iron Gwazi and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Please step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you. Once seated, secure loose articles in the zippered pouch behind your legs and fasten your seatbelt. Please do not attempt to pull down at this time.
THRILLMAXX, we did it! We just got off Iron Gwazi. Let me tell you something, it was incredible. It was trying to rip me out of my seat every single second. That death roll was incredible. Oh my gosh, I gotta take a second and I gotta just catch my breath and just process what just happened. Just stick with us and you'll see the rest of Busch Gardens today. All right, THRILLMAXX, we are here at Busch Gardens Tampa. We're gonna take a ride on Iron Gwazi. I am so excited. I've waited for so long to get on this ride, guys. I'm ready. All right, THRILLMAXX, here we go. Let's see if this gives Seal Vengeance a run for its money. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. 200 feet. Oh my gosh, THRILLMAXX, that's a ride right there. I'm gonna have to take a few more rides and process what just happened. Insane airtime. That death roll was awesome. Guys, if you haven't gotten on Iron Gwazi yet, get down here to Busch Gardens Tampa. Get on this ride. If you love RMCs, this is a top tier one. Comment below if you like this or is Steel Vengeance still number one for you. And remember, always take your thrills to the max because this is THRILLMAXX.